If you don't knock me out, Manny, you're not gonna win. I'm telling you that right now. You're not gonna win.
One sec.
Oh, wait! Yeah, he caught me good on that one.
Matatandaang natalo si Pacman via controversial split decision mula sa di masyadong kilalang champion noon, number 8 pound for pound sa Ring Magazine at undefeated na may record na 28 wins.
The winner by split decision and new WBO welterweight champion of the world.
Pero pag-usapan natin at muli nating balikan kung paano ito niresbakan at binawi ni Pacman. Pero kung bago ka sa aking munting channel pre, pasuporta naman, click mo lang ang subscribe button at notification bell button para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong upload. June 9, 2012 naganap ang unang paghaharap ni Pacman at undefeated champion na si Timothy Bradley. Sobrang ganda ng bakbakan, palitan ng combo ang laban. Natalo si Pacquiao via split decision at ito ang kauna-unahang talo niya makaraan ang 7 taon. Matapos ang laban ay maraming bumatikos sa naging resulta. Dalawang judge ang pabor kay Bradley sa score na 115-113 at isa lang ang kay Pacman na 115 at 113 din. Maraming nagsasabing na game fixing umano ang nangyari.
And I think that is a terrible focus.
Noong April 12, 2014 ay ginanap ang rematch ng dalawa at nakabawi nga si Pacman dito via unanimous decision at nadungisa na nga ang malinis na kartada ni Bradley.
I think Bradley's really careful of the head. Good hard left hand bucks the Pacquiao rush. Another left hand by Pacquiao. 20 punches before most guys can respond. Now Bradley's coming back. He lands a hard right hand of his.
And that jab up and throw a beautiful straight left hand down the pipe. Bradley tried to react to it, but he reacted a little late, and his punch, Pacquiao's punch got to the target before Pacquiao's right glove could stop the punch. Best punch jump.
Good left hand inside for Pacquiao, and another.
Oh, good shot by Pacquiao.
Focused on offense over there, right.
Watch Pacquiao's feet. Both feet right here are off the ground, suspended in mid-air with one overhand right. I don't think nobody expected that Timothy Bradley to come to a fight and punch this hard.
Fighting like a man possessed. Catching a left hand there. Backs Bradley up. Goes for the flurry. Pacquiao fighting more confidently now.
He thought he was hurt. He threw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 punches in the concession. Came back and once again has a beautiful overhand left. That guy did a
That was more a wrestle move than a wobble from the front. Bradley trying to counter off the rope. Pacquiao outworking. Outworking in the middle. Pacquiao is relatively Bradley. Are you talking for hand speed?
He's the one. Here you see Pacquiao in a beautiful left hand right down the pipe on Timothy Bradley. As Timothy Bradley was moving back, but late in the round, you see Timothy Bradley bounce back and counter that jab with a straight right hand right down the pipe on Pacquiao.
Pacquiao making Bradley.
Matapos ang 2 taon, April 9, 2016, ay nagkaharap ulit ang dalawa para sa kanilang pangatlo at huling laban sa lona. Dito na pinatikim ni Pacman ng knockdown si Bradley sa ika-7 round at pinatumbling pa sa ika-9 na round na talagang makikitang nasaktan si The Desert Storm.
From the Philippines, Manny Pacquiao.
Panalo si Pacquiao via unanimous decision.
All right. Oh, no, that wasn't really a knockdown. He kind of pulled me down with his glove. Let me see the second one. All right. Ooh, wait. Yeah, he caught me good on that one.
Can you explain what you experienced at all?
Nah, he's just very quick, very explosive. You know, it's hard to really judge him. You know, he has quick reflexes, and he has experience, man. So he used his experience against me, his ability, and he won the fight tonight. Congratulations to Manny Pacquiao.
August 6, 2017 ay pinal na nagpahayag ng pagretiro itong si Bradley matapos ang halos 12 taon sa larangan ng boxing sports na may record na 33 wins, 2 losses, 1 draw at 1 no contest at 13 dito via KO. Salamat sa panonood mga pre.